everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio and happy Halloween. And since we're still in our spooky season, what we decided was to do is Rumi Day of the Dead style. Look how awesome that looks. Wow. If you want to learn this step by step, come join us and watch this video. Alright guys, let's get started drawing Rumi Day of the Dead style. It's going to be super cool. I'm so excited. First thing we're going to do is draw a big oval, leaving spaces on the side, top, and bottom. So there we have our oval, a little bit of space on the side, a little at the top, and more at the bottom. This is gonna be her head. And then from here, what we could do is we could draw, I don't even know where to start. Let's draw her neck first. Yay! What we're gonna do is we're gonna draw two vertical lines. I drew them at the same height, leaving space in the middle. This is her neck. And then from here, what we could do is we could draw one diagonal line that goes to the right. This is part of her jacket, horizontal line like this, and one vertical line to the bottom. So diagonal, horizontal, vertical. Same thing on the left side. Just like that. And then we could do the little details after. So now we could start with her face. And I wanted to leave it for last because it's super fun, but let's just get started with the fun. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a big oval for her eye. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave some space on the side, okay? This is gonna be her eye. I turn my paper too when I draw ovals or circles because I feel like it's easier. You guys could try that out if you want. We're gonna leave some space in the middle, like more space in the middle and a little on the side again, and draw her left eye. So there we have her eyes, and then from here what we could do is we could draw the details inside of her eyes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a circle to the left, and it's gonna be pretty big. Just like that, and then right underneath this circle, we're gonna draw a smaller circle towards the right. Just like that. And then what we're gonna do is at the bottom, we're gonna draw a little smiley face connected to both sides, and then 3 lines at the bottom. I did one right in the middle and then one curving the opposite ways, and we're gonna do the same design on the left eye. There we have the designs of her eyes. The next thing we could do is her nose. So for her nose, we're gonna make it Day of the Dead style. So what we're gonna do is right in the middle, we're gonna come down in the middle of her head, and I'm gonna make a little point. And then from here, we're gonna make 2 diagonal lines. And then right in between the point, we're gonna come down, and I'm just gonna make a little U like this. And then I'm gonna make another U connected to the ends on each side.
So cute.
This is a Day of the Dead style nose. Oh, I'm so excited. Next, we could do her lips. So right where we did that point for her nose, we're gonna come down, make another point, and we're gonna make the curve of her top lip. Just like that. So we have the top lip, and then what we're gonna do is for her bottom lip, to connect the 2 points, we're just gonna make a U or a bowl. So there we have her lips, and what we could do is to separate the top and the bottom lip, we could draw a curve to connect this point to this point. Just like that. Now we have 2 lips. And for Day of the Dead style, what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue this curve. We're gonna come out the mouth and curve up just like this. Same thing on the left side. Oh, it's going along. There we go. Next thing we could do is we could do the border around her eyes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a square around her eyes. The square is just gonna be curved at the corners. So you see it's like a square, but we just curve the corners, and then we're gonna do the same design on the left side. Just like that, and then let's do her eyelashes. We're gonna make 2 eyelashes, and they're like triangles. They point up and they return back to her eye, point up, return back to her eye. Same thing on the left side. There we have our eyelashes, and then from here, the border around her eye, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw like little petals, like flowers.
Beautiful.
So I'm just gonna make a whole bunch of hills like this. This is the first one. And I'll just make it throughout and around her eyes. So there we have one eye. Look how cool that looks. And I don't know if you guys noticed, I like to make things even. So if I did one at the top, in the middle, and the bottom, I'll do one on each side. Same thing applies here, one thing on each side, and then one in the middle. Try to make it look even. I'm gonna do the same design on the left eye.
That's nice.
And there we have it. Look at the Day of the Dead style. It looks so cool. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna do her eyebrows. And instead of a regular eyebrow, we're gonna make Day of the Dead eyebrows.
Oh
so what we're
goodness.
gonna do is we're gonna make a curve like a rainbow, and at the ends, we're gonna do 2 little circles. Rainbow, 2 little circles at the end. And then from here, we're gonna draw some petals. They're gonna look like petals. So I'm gonna draw a stem and a leaf and a regular leaf. It kind of looks like flowers, right? So I did a leaf attached to a line, a leaf that pops out more. So it's just like loops, a stem, and then another loop. And we're gonna copy the same design on the left side. Just like that. Look how cool those eyebrows look. They look so fancy. And then the next thing we're gonna do is right in the middle, like where her nose is, and right in the middle of her face, right on top of her eyes, we're gonna make one really long vertical line, just like this. From here, at the top of the vertical line, we're gonna make a heart right at the top. So I'm just gonna make a heart, just like that. And then from right underneath it, leaving a little bit of space, we're gonna make 2 loops like a heart as well. Everything is symmetrical, meaning what we do on one side, we're gonna do on the other side. So what we're gonna do here is, I'm gonna come up with a curve, dip back down, and make a curve that loops just like that. So we made a hill, the hill goes back down, and then we made a little loop around. Same thing on the left side now. Look at that, Day of the Dead Rumi. I am so excited. So next thing we're gonna do, guys, is her ears. So right next to her eye, I made a curve as if I was gonna connect it to her head. But what we're gonna do first is, in her ear, we're gonna make a little circle. And then we're gonna make a flower right around this. This is gonna be her earring design. And then from here, what we could do is we're gonna make 2 diagonal lines coming out from the bottom. And then 2 diagonal lines that touch. It looks like a diamond. Just like that. Then we could finish her ear around her earring, connected to the side of her head. How cool is that? And then we're gonna copy the same design on the left side. And then the details of our ears is we're gonna do a backward C that's smaller right in the middle, like that. And then we're just gonna do a curve that goes down, just like that. Same thing on the left side now. There we have our ears, and then from here what we could do is, we could do her hair. So for Rumi, the top of her hair or the top of her braid looks like a heart. So right in the middle, I'm gonna make a point, and I'm gonna go a little higher, make another point. From here, I'm gonna make 2 curves that look like a heart connected to her head. Connected to this heart, we're gonna make another heart. Just like that. And then from here, what we could do is right in the middle of this heart, we can make a curve that goes down and reaches the top of her ear. Just like that. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do one right in the half of her hair again. That one connects to her hair. Same design on the left side. Just like that. There we have the top of her hair. Now we could do her braid, which is the cool part, right? So right on the side of her head and right on top of her ear, we're gonna make a curve that goes out, and we'll stop it right on her ear, and then we'll still make those curves like the letter C. This will be like the outside of her braid. And then for the inside of her braid, we're just gonna copy these. So right where this point came in, I'm gonna curve the opposite way, and I'll do the same for the other 2. And the rest of her hair is behind her shoulders because her hair is super long. And look at that, look at Day of the Dead Rumi. We could do some stripes down her mouth.
Super.
Ooh, look at that, it looks so spooky, I love it. And then the next thing we could do is, we could do a choker necklace. So we're gonna make loops like hills right in her neck. It's gonna be part of her necklace. The bottom of the necklace are the loops the opposite way. So we did the hills the opposite way. And then we could do a little necklace at the bottom. So I'm gonna do a point like a triangle. And then right at the end of the triangle, I'm gonna make an oval for a necklace. Right where her necklace is, I'm gonna draw one horizontal line that goes through it, just like this. That's gonna be her shirt, and all we have to do is continue this vertical line. So look, just like that. And same thing on the left side. And there we have it, guys. There we have Day of the Dead Rumi, or Rumi Day of the Dead style. It looks super awesome. So guys, let's grab our markers, our color pencils. Let's color her in and let's bring her to life. It's gonna look super awesome. I can't wait to show you guys. Alright guys, and here we have Rumi Day of the Dead style. A whole bunch of beautiful bright colors. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys had fun. Stay tuned for more cool Halloween drawings. And please like and subscribe. Bye guys.